This is so much easier to do on a press-on nail versus doing it on an actual person, because you can flip the nail upside down, but you can't flip the person upside down.
What's up, y'all? I'm Chaun Legend, celebrity nail artist based here in LA. So this month is Pride Month, and I want to share with you guys one of my favorite Pride nail designs. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve this fun nail look right at home.
I'm using gel polish today, but you can easily recreate this look with regular polish.
Since we're working with gels, you're going to need a UV or LED gel lamp, gel art liner brush to create the lines with, a milky white gel color to use as a base before applying the colors. And the colors that we're going to be using are red, yellow, blue, green, and orange. And lastly, you want to use a non-wipe top coat for the glossy finish. And I'm going to do these on a set of press-ons. And yes, I'm going to wear these press-ons just for you guys.
Okay, so the first step we're going to do is use the milky white gel polish color and applying it onto the press-on nail. And you want to do thin, even coats. You don't want to glob it on because you're going to make a big old mess. Now we're going to cure it under an LED light for 60 seconds. If you have a UV, cure it for 90 seconds. And now while that's curing, we're going to start on the rest of the press-on nails. And again, I'm doing very light applications and light strokes. Okay, so now that we finished polishing all the nails, we're going to jump into the fun stuff, playing with the colors. Bring out your gel art liner brush and choose whatever color you want to start first. I'm going to pick green since that's happened to be my favorite color. So dabbing into the green. This is the midway section, and I'm going to go just a little bit above it and start drawing my line out from there. And I find it easier to outline it first and then fill it in afterwards. Okay, and draw the line all the way to the tip. You want to make sure it lines up correctly, so I like to drop a little dot just so I can know where to start. Okay, so now we've completed both sides. We're going to start on doing the tips, the bottom part of the nail. I'm just going to first create my line, and you want to make sure you cover every part of the nail. There's no empty space left on the nail. And this is so much easier to do on a press-on nail versus doing it on an actual person, because you can flip the nail upside down, but you can't flip the person upside down. Look, starting to look good. All right, so now we're going to put it back into the gel lamp for 60 seconds. Now continue the same process by painting each nail a different color. Okay, so now I want to go over the lines one more time to make it more crisp and more opaque. So we're just doing the same process, just repeating the steps over again with this second coating. And then we're going to put it back into the LED lamp for 60 seconds. We're ready for top coat now. After you finish applying the top coat on all the nails, you want to cure it again under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And voila, here's the final look. And here I am wearing the press-ons, modeling it for you guys. But I love the look. I think it represents Pride really well. And it's definitely a fun look to try at home.
Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if there's anything new you learned. Drop it in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much again for watching. Happy Pride.